We've just arrived at Union Station in Washington, D.C. for the inauguration of the 46th president, and there's actually more troops and police in here than there are people.
I, Joseph Robinette Biden Jr., do solemnly swear.
So help me God.
So, what is your thoughts on the new president that we have now?
I'm very excited. I'm really hopeful. I believe we finally have a person capable of compassion back in our office.
What does this new presidency mean to you?
Well, it means relief.
Oh, this land, oh, this land was made for you and me. Oh, this land, oh, this land was made for you and me.
You're guilty.
You're guilty!
There's mixed feelings around, as you can see.
Yet hear me clearly. Disagreement must not lead to disunion. And I pledge this to you. I will be a president for all Americans.
Throughout history, the fashion choice of the First Lady has been historic. Let's see what they're wearing today. As you've seen, American fashion designers are taking center stage at the inauguration in the USA. One color that really stood out was purple. So is purple the new black?